What is up, guys? Woody LS3 coming at you with another vlog. Today we're going to be going to my buddy Alex's shop. We're finally gonna get the windshield on my wife's truck replaced. It's actually been due for a very long time. She's had that window cracked on there for pretty much as long as she's had the truck. So today we're gonna take care of it. Luckily I don't have a wife that's always nagging about a cracked window or something wrong with her truck. She's the last one to tell me about something that's wrong with her truck just because she doesn't want to give me more to worry about. But I gotta get this fixed for her. Also, we might swing by Project Torque because one of the speakers on the front door is not working. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Project Torque, see what they have in stock, see if we can get those speakers replaced, and she won't have to worry about the speakers going out. So let's go ahead and go over to Xclusive and get this window changed. Alright guys, we're here with Mr. Agustin. ¿Cómo está, man?
Aquí ya trajeron la pinche mamalona para cambiarle el windshield.
De volada.
Ahorita irá nomás 10 minutos, pum, 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 vámonos. Vámonos recio.
Rápido.
New windshield.
Así debe ser todo el tiempo, ¿verdad?
Es que es in and out, man. In and out.
So there you go, guys. They're already gonna check. They're already starting to break it down. I just got here, not even a minute, and they already took the truck. They already took the gaskets and everything out like that. So, damn, they work fast. So there it is, guys. The windshield is already installed. They did it super fast, and like I said, I just got here. It's probably been like 10-15 minutes. Windshield's already on, man, and it looks nice. Look at that, fresh windshield. All right, guys. So, ¿cómo se llama, Mike?
Arbaiz, Oscar.
Oscar Armaiza.
Arbaiz Aeroglass.
Ahí está, si lo quieren buscar, ahí le voy a dejar también su número en el video y todo.
Perfecto.
Y también hace para la casa, ¿verdad?
No, puras automóviles nomás, carros.
No, pero pueden
sí,
ir a la
mobile
casa.
service, yeah, mobile service.
Right.
We do mobile service, so cualquier cosa estamos a la orden, papá.
So there you go, guys. If y'all don't have time to bring the car, they can go to your house, do this at your house, or you can come over here to Xclusive like how I did, brought on my truck, and they got it together. Like I said, what, 10-15 minutes? Como 15 minutos, ¿verdad? 15 minutos, 15 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. So definitely hit them up, and they'll give you the best price. They take care of their people. So that's what's mine.
Gracias, papá.
There it is, guys, brand new windshield. I couldn't be more happy. I mean, it's crazy to be excited over a fresh windshield, but it's crazy how you get used to seeing your view with the crack on it and then not seeing the crack anymore. I know my wife's gonna be very happy about that, so let's go tell Mr. Agustin thank you for getting these guys over here and taking care of me. Ya quedó, Mike.
¿Cuánto se tardaron?
Nada, como 15 minutos, yo digo.
Ahí están los pinches tacos de volada.
¿Verdad?
La papa. Pues ya quedó con madre, ¿no?
Ya está.
Ahora sí va a estar feliz tu wife.
Sí, ya.
Ya está. Ya está, mi Guri.
Gracias.
Pues todo bien. Ahí estamos.
Hello, Mike. Alright, guys, so we just went in there. Thank Mr. Agustin. Obviously, he took care of me. Always takes care of me. Him and Alex. Anytime I got something wrong with my cars or anything like that, they always take care of me. So big shout out to them. Make sure y'all go follow them and follow their YouTube channel, Xclusive Collision. Always doing some badass build, painting some awesome things. So definitely follow their channel. Right now, let's go to Project Torque, see if we can get the speakers from my wife's truck. So let's go ahead and go over to Project Torque. Man, guys, I can't get over how good this looks with the fresh windshield. I guess the best way I can compare it is for my people that work in construction, you have to always have the safety glasses on. You know, you have the same safety glasses for quite a while, and finally you get that new pair. It feels like you can see everything so clear. It's kind of like that, so I guess that's the best way to describe it. I do work construction. I have gotten recognized out there in the field, which is pretty cool. I always enjoy people, you know, that watch the channel and come up to me and you know, tell me what's up. It lets me know that people are watching my videos, so it, you know, it means a lot to me. Thank you for all those people that, you know, have come by and tell me what's up. But let's go ahead and we're here at Project Torque. Let's see if we can get some speakers. Alright guys, well, we just went to Project Torque. The guys weren't there. They actually were to shoot a video. They're over there shooting, so we're not going to be able to get the speakers that we want for the truck. I wanted to talk to Fire guys, kind of get his input on what speakers we could get. Maybe we could do all of them or something like that for my wife. But so right now we're going to go ahead and head back to the house, let my wife see her truck with her new windshield. And then we'll see if maybe we can pick up my stickers for just trying to advertise my channel. You know, pretty much my name with the little YouTube icon. A lot of people know me but don't know I have my own channel. Some people don't even know I have my own merch. Who Gapped It is my brand. This is one of my hats. Just want to get my channel out there a little bit more. Want to get my brand out there a little bit more. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can pick up those stickers. We are going with Automotive Apparel. Those are the guys that wrapped my car. So we're going to go pick up my stickers with them. Big shout out to Mike. He's the one that made the stickers for me. I wanted a special font. I didn't want a regular font. I told him the font I wanted. So we're going to go ahead and go pick that up. Let's go ahead and go to my house, show my wife, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, we're back at the house. We're gonna go ahead and meet up my buddy Mike from Automotive Apparel. His shop is actually kind of far. I was gonna drive out there, but I called him up. He said, I'm actually gonna be headed that way towards your side of town. So instead of me driving out about 45 to an hour from my house, I'm only gonna drive about 20 minutes. So thanks to Mike for looking out. So we're gonna meet up with Mike. We're gonna go ahead and take the vet, but before I do, I'm actually gonna change this top piece. Because right now I have the transparent one, which is like a plexiglass, and it's really hot outside. With the sun, it gets really hot in there. And if you put on the regular one, which is over here, this is the regular one. This one you can't see through, so it helps a lot better. And here I'll show y'all what I mean. So the sun comes through there. So sometimes it can get really hot with that on. So we're gonna switch that out. I'm gonna put the non-transparent one. We're gonna put this one in the back. It has a little compartment in the back on the trunk where this one goes. So let's go ahead and do that real quick before we head out. Alright guys, so there we go. We got the regular one back on, and I actually have the transparent one back here. So there you go guys, that's the transparent one. And you can see this one, you can't see through it. So it's actually insulated with the heat, it doesn't come down on you. So it keeps your car a lot cooler instead of with the transparent one. So we're gonna go ahead and meet up with Mike, and we're gonna be taking the vet. I gotta run it. That boy Mike riding in style.
What's up, man?
What's up,
she
bro?
a little dirty, but
can't even tell.
got them
Damn,
stickers.
guys, there it is. Guys, I've been looking for this font, and Mike actually found this font for me. It actually doesn't have an underscore, but he's like, we can just make the dash and just bring it down. So I thought that was a good idea.
Yeah, because when he put in the underscore, it gave like a symbol, and I was like, what the hell? But then when I put the regular dash, it showed up. So I was like, yeah, just move it down.
Yeah, so there you go, guys. Definitely, Mike also wraps. Like I said, he wrapped my car. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out.
Still looking good too.
Yeah, I want to show it to you.
Hell yeah.
Because I mean,
almost a year?
Almost going on a year. Yeah, going on a year.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Mike? Is your work?
Yeah, no, shit looks good. I'm happy with it. Shiny. We ceramic coated it too, huh?
Ceramic coated, yeah. I think it was what, 3 year?
Yeah. Either that or it was the 2 year or the 5 year.
But look at Mike's whip, man.
Yeah, she's for sale if anybody wants it.
For sale?
Yeah.
The vet too, you letting that go too?
So I decided to keep it.
Okay.
I'm gonna sell everything off of it. And I'm gonna turn it into a drag car.
You're going all out.
Yeah, it's a carbon edition too, so some people might frown on that. Oh well, I don't care.
And actually I have your wing.
Yeah, you have my wing, so I mean if anything else you need, let me know. I'm selling the motor, I'm selling the blower, I'm selling the full interior. I'm gonna sell the other wing. I'm gonna sell the drag pack. I'm gonna sell the carbon ceramics, the rotors, the gas tank, because it's go fuel cell. So
Right.
I mean everything's gonna be sold off of it.
Well, there you go, guys. If you need anything Corvette, even the motor, I mean, you could put that in a truck or whatever. So it's a LS7.
LS7.
So definitely hit up Mike. I'm gonna leave his link so you can hit him up. We might have to talk on that blower though.
Yeah, for sure. I'll hook it up. I got one person that's interested in the carbon ceramics. He's a good friend of mine, so I'm gonna hook him up on that too. And yeah, if you want the blower, I'll hook you up too on it. It's a Black Series, and I fucking love it, but I'm gonna go twin turbo. So
damn, you're going all out, all out.
I'm gonna try to. It's gonna take me a while to do it, but I'm trying to sell everything off it right now because I ordered a F350 dually.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna start another portion of the business, transporting and stuff like that. So need some capital at the moment, so I'm gonna sell everything off it.
Yeah, that's badass. Hell yeah. Mike, I appreciate you getting me my decals.
Sure, man. No problem. Sorry it took a little bit, but the font was a little hard to find. I found a website that I'm actually going to start using here a lot more often because they had everything in there.
Yeah.
Everything. So I was like, cool.
No, it came out wetter than when you showed me.
It was like $3 to buy the font, and then it downloaded to my Mac like that. So I was like, man, fuck it. It is what it is. So now I have it. So next round, it'll be less for you.
All right, cool. Hell yeah.
Because the font's already paid for.
If anybody needs some of these, they can also hit you up.
Yeah, I'll do them. I'll do the Instagram ones. I'll do the YouTube ones, the Facebook. I'm even starting to do the QR scanners so therefore people can scan it. It's something new. You may or may not have seen it. Because people can just walk up their camera and it would just open and it pulls up like all of your social media profiles and stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, no matter what you have, like, I mean, everything from OnlyFans to Instagram, I mean, whatever you have, you know, social-wise, it'll take it to that website and then people can have all your information like that.
There you go.
It's pretty cool. There's another one too. It's called Tap. Yeah, so it's a little sticker that has a circuit board built into it. You have to plug it into your computer and download your website basically. But you stick it on the inside of your vehicle, and all you do is you put a sticker that says "Tap Me," and all you do is just tap it with the NFC on your phone, and it pulls up all your information.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, so people at car shows will just tap your glass, and then boom, they got all your info.
That's crazy. I haven't heard of that. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, pretty good for content creators.
Yeah,
just tap it and boop, it's all there.
Quick, you know.
I haven't done one yet, but I want to do it.
All right, Mike. Well, I appreciate you taking care of me, man.
For sure, man. As always, no problem. I'm just glad I can come through for you. She's looking good, man. So I'm happy with it.
Yeah, you know, you did an awesome job. I guys knocked this out like in a couple days. So
yeah, you had the deadline for that car show, so we did it.
You want to give them your address?
We are in Hockley, Texas, 23933 Nickel Sawmill Road. Our social media is Automotive Apparel, or Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, and TikTok. So real simple. Come see us, man. We got all kinds of cool shit going on all the time. Message us. We'd love to collab with people if we have to, and just get things rolling. It's a new age these days. Everybody's content creators. Everybody wants to express themselves, and we like linking up with people. So let us know. And we still got to lock in that race with Freddie too. Don't think I forgot. We almost did, but there was a wreck at the track, right? So that we finished up that night. So yeah, we'll get it down though.
Yeah, you want to? Which one are you gonna race? With your Corvette or with your V?
No, I'm racing the Vet. The V is all stock. Yeah, I'm stock intake, stock everything. So no, I'd be the Vet. That's what I'm at more.
So there you go, Freddie. You got a call out from Mike. It's been needing to happen for a while now.
For a little bit, yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and let Mike go. We got our decals. We're gonna go ahead and go back home, put them on, and we gotta take the wife out today. We're gonna go watch Thor.
Oh, okay. I heard it's good.
Is it?
Yeah, I heard it's good.
All right, so we're gonna go check that out. So Mike, like I said, big thanks, bro.
No problem, man. Anytime.
Let's go, guys. Alright guys, well we made it back home. Big shout out to Mike for getting me those decals. Like I said, he did the font that I wanted. I wanted a little different, not just the same old thing that everybody gets. I wanted a little bit something more my style. We're gonna be putting that on the car and on my trucks. So like I said guys, if you haven't subscribed, I definitely want to keep coming out with new stuff, more merch. And guys, speaking of merch, thank you for everybody that has been ordering on my website. Thank you everybody that's been picking up a shirt, a hat, a decal, for still supporting the channel, still watching. I know I don't upload as much as a lot of the YouTubers do, but just want to make a good video. So with that being said, I gotta jump in the shower and get ready for my date with my wife.